prism. So let's take a look real quick. Let me set up my surface area formula. It is 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height. Now, again, I'm going to rewrite it using the formulas that I'm going to need. The area of the base, my base is a circle in this case, so I have pi times radius squared, plus the perimeter. Now, remember with circle, that's our circumference, so that's going to be pi times diameter times the height. So now I can start taking a look at this. Well, if I'm looking at my base right here, I can already tell that they're trying to trick me. My radius is 7. They gave us the diameter there. Okay? Now the diameter is going to come in handy when I get over to my circumference, but I'll get to that here in just a second. So let's go ahead and rewrite it, plug in what we know. Now I'm going to leave pi to the very end because that's going to allow me to see my answer in terms of pi and then also to get my final answer. My radius squared is 7 squared plus, again, I'll leave pi times my diameter of 14 times the height, which connects my 2 circles, which is 12. So now I'm going to do some, take care of some numbers here. I know 7 squared is 49, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply 7 squared times 2 and get my 98. So I'm going to have 98 pi plus, I'm going to go do the same thing here, do 14 times 12, and that's going to give me 168 pi. So now I have 2 answers in terms of pi. Now these are like terms. Since they're both pi, I can actually add these together because they both have a pi on them. So when I do 168 plus 98, that is going to get me 266 pi. Now there's going to be times where you run into problems and they ask you, what is it in terms of pi? This is the answer they're looking for, that unfinished, unmultiplied. It's actually more of an exact answer. So now if I want to approximate it, I'm just going to finish it out and multiply it times 3.14. And I have that the surface area of this cylinder is about 835.24 yards squared. And that's the surface area. Again, if I wanted to paint all the sides, if I wanted to make a container that had that much surface area, that is how much cubic inches, or cubic yards, excuse me, of material I would need. So there's our quick breakdown on surface area and how it works with a couple different shapes.